Good morning or afternoon. I'm in Fishtown. I'm about to show you a 3-bed, 2-bath house. Beautiful, beautiful house. A roof top. The outside is very, very quiet. Very quiet street, residential area. This place has, you see it on the video, the front door is on Earl Street. It's a small street, but you do have a huge parking spot in the back. I will show you that in a minute. Now let's start from here, which is a living area. It's a beautiful living area, huge living area. As I walk in, you just came in through this door. On my right hand side, you have this closet for your cable boxes. And also you have your water meter here, electric panel. Then the steps to go up, and also you have this storage space, a hook for your jackets, and I'll put these lights, and it's a nice storage space. The place has central heat and air. You got a thermostat here you could control. And to my left hand side, you have this huge window for a natural light. The place gets a lot of light. In addition to that, you have a lot of recessed light, a very high ceiling, a beautiful wood floor. Next area I would like to show you is the kitchen. It's a very modern kitchen. You have an island here. Front you have a lot of cabinet space. And you have upgraded countertop, a dishwasher, a gas oven and cooktop, a built-in microwave. You also have a garbage disposal. Stainless steel appliances. You have this Whirlpool, nice refrigerator. Next to the kitchen, you have this closet space. Nice for storing your stuff. It has shelf inside. Nice size. You also have this space to set up either breakfast area, whichever you like to do. You have this nice space next to the kitchen. Here at this corner, you also have additional space for storage. Huge space. It's like a room here. So the place has a lot of space for storage. So you will not have any problem with that. Storing your stuff. If you have a lot of stuff, this is a place for you. This is storage closet. And on the first floor, you have this beautiful backyard and parking space. You could take 2 big cars. You have a remote opener. I'm sorry, I don't have the remote opener with me right now, but you have this space for a parking. You come through this gate and you put your car here. No more driving around looking for a parking space. This is a beautiful building. And you also have a lot of space to do outside entertainment if you want to do barbecue or host your guests. Nice space in the back. You also have additional outside space on the roof. I'll show you that. It's a beautiful outside space on the rooftop. Now let's go to the second floor where you could where you have 2 baths and 2 bed and 1 bath. You have a wide steps going up. All right. Let's see. First room you see in front of me is the bathroom. I would like to show you the first bedroom you see on the left first. This is a huge bedroom with 2 big closet space. Recess light. It's a very cool lighting here. And the place, as I told you earlier, gives a lot of natural light. So this bedroom is the same. You got 2 huge windows, a lot of natural light. And also you have these closets. The first one just open. Nice closet space. The first and the second one here. Similar in size. All right, the next is your bathroom on the second floor. You have a beautiful bathroom here, a tile floor, nice vanity here, sink, and toilet, a deep bathtub, and a shower combo, tile around the wall. You have a towel hanger here. Nice size bathroom. Then back to the hallway. The first bedroom, I show you through the window. You will be looking out to Earl Street. I didn't show you here. This I was outside and then recording a video. So that is the Earl Street is what you're looking through the window. The next bedroom, which will be in the back, so you'll be looking out to your backyard from the next bedroom. Before I get to the next bedroom, I will show you your laundry room. It's nice, almost brand new machines. You have a washing machine and a dryer. You have a dryer here and a washing machine here. Shelf for storage, recessed lights throughout the house, and also away from your side. When you open it, you have your utility closets. You have a water boiler, a gas water boiler. You have your furnace here. Nicely tucked away. And you have additional space for storage if you need it. You have a lot of storage in the house. Next room, I would like to show you the back bedroom on the second floor. This seems a little bit smaller than the one I showed you up on the front, on this floor to the front of the building. But this also is a very good size. Big size bedroom. You have two huge windows for a natural light. You also have at that corner a big closet space. One closet space. And it's huge. This is what the bedroom looks like from this angle. Then next, I go up to the next floor where you have your huge master bedroom and a full bath. The place is nicely freshly painted and ready for the new tenant. All right, this is the door to your master bedroom. As I walk in through the first door, you'll have this huge bathroom with a double sink and a beautiful tile, a window for fresh air. You have a stall shower. Nice tile through the wall. Tile floor. A glass door. So I have a towel hanger here. You have this huge bedroom next to the bathroom. You have a smaller closet space first. When I say smaller, it's relative to the closet space which I'm going to show you next. This is still big, but the house has a lot of closet space, so I'm just calling this smaller. And then the next one is a walk-in closet. It could be a bedroom in some places. So this is a walk-in closet. Very nice size. It has shelves. Very nice size walk-in closet. Then you have your bedroom. A huge bedroom. Very big master bedroom with a ceiling fan, recessed lights, 2 huge windows. Your window is facing to the back of the building. So you will be away from the main street. It's very quiet, but you will be away from the main street, which is R. So here is your space. A beautiful, magnificent master bedroom. On each floor, you have a thermostat. You could control the temperature. If you like a hotter here, you could make it hotter. Go downstairs. They have a thermostat on the every floor. Then the last space I would like to show you is the rooftop. It will be an amazing site and a nice place to get fresh air and enjoy nice private moment. This is the space. It's beautiful, beautiful space. You have a lot of, you have a nice view. You could see in 4 directions: north, south, east, west, whichever side you like to see. Beautiful view. Lot of space for your outside tables. You could bring your guests out here, entertaining stuff. On a day like this, beautiful afternoon in Philadelphia, you could just come here and enjoy a nice weather. You have outlets here, lights, everything you need. You have a spigot for the water. Beautiful space. All right, guys, I just showed you a wonderful looking house in Fishtown, a 3-bed, 2 baths. I hope you like the house. I hope you like the video. I thank you for watching. Bye.